Welcome to RAFT, the resource area for teaching. For more than 30 years, RAFT has helped students and educators transform learning through hands-on STEAM experiences across the Bay Area and beyond. At the heart of RAFT is a simple but powerful idea: great learning can come from unexpected places. The cardboard tubes, foam scraps, and plastic pieces that most of us walk past without a second thought, those are a child's most powerful learning tools. RAFT collects donated and surplus materials from local companies and organizations and uses them to design hands-on activities that bring STEAM concepts to life. We know that educators are already doing more with less. That's why we created the Spark STEAM Kit Classroom Bundle, a turnkey solution with no complicated prep, no need to source materials, no guesswork. Just open the kit, follow the facilitation guide, and watch your students light up. Each bundle delivers 5 hands-on activities for up to 25 students. That's 125 learning hours built around NGSS-aligned STEAM themes, guiding students from kindergarten through 5th grade through exploration, experimentation, and engineering design. But here's what really happens when these kits reach a classroom. One student builds a car powered by their own design. Another student who once sat quietly at the back now stands in front, showing the class how their earthquake shelter held. These are the moments when real learning happens. Through every challenge and rebuild solution, they develop the math, literacy, and social-emotional skills that make them resilient, collaborative, and genuinely engaged. By transforming upcycled materials into meaningful learning experiences, RAFT connects sustainability with education, reducing waste, empowering teachers, and inspiring the next generation of innovators. Students don't just learn STEAM concepts, they learn that they have the power to transform the world around them. For just $3 per student activity, bring 125 hours of hands-on STEAM learning to your classroom. Spark curiosity, ignite innovation. Learn more at raft.net.